Hi, splendid lovers. It's your favorite chef Vicky Nice, and I'm back with another yummy recipe. So today we are going to be making this very fluffy ring donut. It's Vlogmas day 7, guys, and I'm super excited to be sharing this yummy recipe with you guys. So to make this very fluffy donut, you would be needing your all-purpose flour, your butter, your sugar, your egg, your yeast, and you know how we do already if you are familiar with this channel. So please go to the description box, okay, to check out the recipe, or you can also check the comment section. I will put it down there for you to like get the recipe. Okay, now just add all your ingredients in a bowl and mix. Okay, you are going to mix this until it forms a dough. Now, once your dough begins to form, you are going to transfer it to your work table. Now, you have to start using some serious manpower because we are not using mixer for this. You are going to knead your dough with your hands, okay? Guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to the splendid family. Please do not make it your last by subscribing and joining this amazing family. Also, turn on your post notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new video. To my old and returning subscribers, massive shout out to you guys. So you are going to start kneading your dough. Like I said, you need manpower for this, but trust me, it's nothing that you cannot do. Okay, you are going to knead it. You can see the way I'm using my palm to knead my dough. I've shared so many recipes of me kneading dough on this channel, so you can do this as well. Now at this point, guys, you can see your dough is looking like it's too soft, you get, and it's sticking to your work surface. What you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of flour on your palm and continue the kneading process. Okay, just a little bit of flour is what you need. Then you continue the kneading process. You want to knead your dough very well, like knead this very well to get the best result of your donuts. Keep kneading your dough until it becomes like very stretchy like this. Okay, I'm going to run a test. You can see how I am stretching this dough and it's not tearing apart. That is what you want. If you knead it very well, you are going to get this result. So this is how to check if your dough is ready. If by the time you stretch it and it is coming off like it is tearing, you know that your dough is not ready. You continue to knead. Now after kneading and make sure my dough was okay, I rolled it into like I rolled it flat. Okay, now you are going to get your baking tray, sprinkle it with some flour, and you are going to get your donut cutter. I'm using donut cutter. Okay, so just rub some flour on your donut cutter so that it will not stick to your dough. You are going to start cutting out your ring donuts. You can see the way I'm applying pressure, like just press it in and you pull out. That's how you cut your donuts. Okay, I'm going to do this for all of my dough, like until I cut out everything. So after cutting, you are just going to remove those balls at the middle of your ring donuts. After removing it, you are going to get your baking tray, which you've already like sprinkle your flour on. Then you pick up your um, cut out donut and begin to place it on your baking tray. We are frying this donut, please. We are not baking it, but you have to place it on your baking tray. Then you cover it for about 40 to 45 minutes for your dough to double in size. Now, once your dough is ready, you are going to heat up some oil. I just sprinkle a little bit of flour into my oil. Once that bubbles, I know my oil is ready. Then I begin to place my ring donut inside my oil. Now, note this oil is not even like hot. You know that hotness when you want to fry your puff puff. That's not what you need for your donut. You are going to put your heat temperature on the lowest. Okay, you need the lowest heat possible to fry your donuts. You can see this has fried nicely on one side. I'm just going to flip it over and fry the other side. You are going to fry this on both sides for, let's say, 3 minutes. Okay, in total 6 minutes, you are done. You get? So that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this is, guys. This is so beautiful and delicious. Once your donut is ready, you are going to take it off your oil, place it on a sieve for the excess oil to drain out. If you are still watching up to this moment, please like this video if you have not liked it, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. Okay, guys, look how fluffy this donut is looking. It is so inviting. You know what they say about eating with your eyes first, right? So this tasted so good and super yummy. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay safe. Bye.